8 o'clock in the morning on 8/13/2020. What a year. We started this YouTube channel March 14th. We already had a channel going, and I used to use it for the cars I would flip and sell back in Arizona. Shoot, since about 2008, 2008. Very little subscribers, under 500 when we started it. So March 14th, we started the trucking channel. We started going out videos, trying to really grow the channel with the help and the push from Make Sense when I was rebuilding my motor. I talked to him about it, and I started thinking about the content I would put out and kind of how I would do it. And I was a big fan of watching Joe Rogan, so I was like, I'm going to do a channel where I pretty much try to put out content consistently every week, because what I liked about Joe Rogan was that I felt like I was there. I felt like I was a part of his life and who he was talking to, because that was that day or the day before that I caught the video. Being a truck driver, you got a lot of time, so you can watch a whole 2 hour, 4 hours if it's Post Malone or Rob Lowe was just even on there. So I haven't even finished the whole Rob Lowe, but it's cool to hear him talk about like Tommy Boy and all that kind of stuff. But nor here nor there, we truly appreciate it. Almost 5 months to the day, March 14th, August 14th, 20,000 subscribers. So we appreciate every one of you. We've had this little skit we've been trying to plan for a while, and it actually kind of worked out last night. It was a little difficult, but we got it done. But another thing I want to talk about these subscribers and why that 20,000 means a lot to us is because not everything is what it seems out there on YouTube. I've come to realize this. I had no idea about this until I started getting emails, and here's one of those emails right here. So I had no idea that there was services like this where you pay for subscribers, pay for views, pay for comments. That's why it means even more to us. This is 100% organic, 20,000 organic subscribers. We do giveaways to try and promote it, of course, but those are real people that have actually come to our channel for one reason or another and decided to stick around. So that's why it means a lot to us. Organic, 20,000 subscribers. There's a lot of people out there you'll see with 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 subscribers, and then their view count per video is very low. That might tell you something. So I'm not saying everyone's done this, but I've been approached 3 different times now by 3 different companies saying that they would help me grow my channel. So just wanted to throw that out there and just show how much appreciation Truck and Wife and I have for helping this channel grow. All the proceeds from this channel goes to Truck and Wife. Helps us with our lifestyle, helps us buy. We bought a little old red with all of YouTube money. She got that truck for me. Just pretty much just gonna take back and forth to the yard where I parked the truck, the big truck that we're driving in now. So it's been a fun journey. We started with I wish we could have got the whole. We did put the engine overhaul in, or the in-frame on the YouTube, but it was kind of like before the channel started really going. So I started thinking about the channel when I met Sammy Make Sense in person for the first time, when I was actually rebuilding my motor. And I had the recommendation for Hey Guy Diesel from Sammy. So I owe a lot to him, and thanks a lot, Sammy, for helping with my journey and giving me the motivation to get my channel going. So just want to talk a little bit about that. Coming up 77 right now, following a container truck. It's going as slow as I am to get good fuel mileage, but it's been a journey. I don't know where the channel's going to keep going to, but we're going to keep family orienting it, bringing our kids into it. Our kids mean the world to us. Just trying to live this life and have fun every day the sun rises. And yeah, here's a little skit we did yesterday, because we knew, God willing, we knew we were going to get 20,000 in 8 o'clock this morning. I was watching it every now and then, and 8 o'clock this morning it hit 20,000 subs. So thank you everyone from the bottom of my heart. God bless y'all, and here's a little skit. Are you ready for the 20K giveaway? Woo! Thanks for coming to Q&T's. Your crazy sons are inside the truck. And just a disclaimer for this Q&T's, we are not on a fuel island. We are in a no fuel area. Yes. How's your little baby? Good. All right. So 7 lucky winners today. Oh, you got $140. Hi, beautiful boy. I'll get you out. Are gonna get a $20 bill for pulling up from the fuel island. Let's get this going.
$20 bill.
You're our first candidate.
You're our first candidate. We are doing a $20 giveaway for fuel YouTube channel with 20,000 subscribers, so you're giving $20 to people who pulled to the fuel island.
Thank you so much. The YouTube channel is Just Trucking if you want to subscribe and check it out. And thanks a lot, Michael, at Old Dominion.
Yeah.
All right. You're our first one. We got 6 more. So you're welcome. Take care. Say bye. All right. So thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to our channel. It's 20,000 subscribers now. We got little Kyle in here, and that is true. Trucking Wife came down and visited us to do a little giveaway. We're waving to everybody. Bye-bye. And we are not blocking any island. Just a disclaimer. We're between the scales and the last pump. But thanks everyone for subscribing. Please continue to subscribe. The giveaway is still going, but we just hit 20,000, so we wanted to go ahead and show our appreciation by handing out some 20s for 20,000 subscribers. And of course, Trucking Wife brought her crazy beast. Yeah, that's it. We just had our first guy from Old Dominion, and we got 6 more to go. 7 lucky dudes. Not that busy here, but someone's got to pull up, right? No, it's a giveaway. We're showing our appreciation for fuel island etiquette and pulling up. So we have a YouTube channel we run, and we're giving out $20 because we just hit 20,000 subscribers.
So here's $20.
Nothing. Just thanks for pulling up.
It's okay to be on video.
You're very welcome. And if you get time, check out Just Trucking on YouTube. You'll be on there. All right, take care. Thanks a lot. Good job. Get it done. Nah, he's pulling through. So here's 20 bucks. Thanks for pulling through. And just check out Just Trucking on YouTube. Thanks, man. Thanks for pulling up to Fuel Island. If you get a chance, check out Just Trucking on YouTube if you watch YouTube. Okay. We just hit 20,000 subscribers, and we appreciate all of us out here driving. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. Welcome. All right. How many more? 3 more? 3 more. Quick. He's like, whoa. He just pulled straight through. Social distance. Look at them shorts. I like those shorts. I like those shorts.
We have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. We just reached 20,000. So we're giving $20 for anyone that's following Fuel Island etiquette.
And thanks for pulling up. And if you get a chance, check out Just Trucking on YouTube. Cool. Thanks, man. Take care. How you doing?
For 28 years, I'm old.
There you go. You've been doing it.
I don't hold nobody up.
Well, we have a YouTube channel. You're welcome. We have a YouTube channel, and we just reached 20,000 subscribers, so we want to appreciate
$20.
our truckers. So our YouTube channel is called Just Trucking. Check it out. You'll be on it.
Yeah, I can't take it on.
There you go. Hey, did you ever run for STI?
Yeah, I did.
Great company. Yep.
It is.
Nice. Thanks so much for pulling up. Take care. How you doing, man? You want to be our last contestant? Last $20.
Fuel Island etiquette, because you pulled up. You get
$20.
We have 20,000 subscribers on YouTube.
So we just wanted to give people 20s.
Give people 20s. So
There you go.
Really?
Yeah, that's it. If you ever check us out on YouTube, it's Just Trucking.
Okay, I
All
got
right, take care, man. Have a good one. And that is the 20K giveaway. Or it wasn't 20K, it was $20, but hey. Now we got to get these kids back in the monster truck. Thank you, Trucking Wife, for doing that.
You're welcome.
Woo! Well, thank you, Trucking Wife, for that 20K giveaway. She was a good sport about it. It's hot out here. Oh my goodness. It's at 86, but it said 93 earlier. Whew. So thanks, QT, for letting us do this, and thanks for everyone who subscribed. And if you're one of those lucky 7 and saw yourself on video, thank you so much for being a good sport, and we appreciate every one of you. God bless.